Welcome back to the Technical Cat. In this video, I will show you how to work with extrude command in Inventor. Extrude is used to create a feature or a body by adding depth to a profile. Closed profiles creates both solids and surfaces. Open profiles creates only surfaces. Before getting started, please like the video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our future videos. Let's start without wasting much of time. So here we have an extrude option. Before going to extrude, we need a profile. So for that, just start a 2D sketch. Now select the plane. So I will select the top plane. Just create a rectangle. Let's take this is a 45 and tab and length will be 75. Okay, so this is my rectangle and finish the sketch. So now go for extrude. So here you can see we have input geometry, behavior and advanced properties. Here we have only one profile. For that purpose, we have a limited options available here. So if you increase the profiles and objects, then we may get a new options here. Let's see. First I will discuss about these options. Later we will discuss about the additional options. First of all, as soon as creating a profile, we have to press extrude command. So now it will be visible like this. So we have an arrow mark. So what is the use of this is we can increase or decrease the height of the profile, object. So here input geometry is profiles and from where we have to start the extrude. So that is the sketch plane. And now behavior is direction. So by default it will be in default direction and this is flipped direction. So if you want to flip, you can flip to backward direction. And this one is symmetric. So if you give symmetric, the sketch profile will lies in between the object. So if you increase one side, automatically the second side will get increased. And now coming to asymmetric, here we have to specify the distance A and the distance B separately. We can use the same distance as well as different one. So here I will use 15 and here I will use 5. Now you can observe the difference in this object. So here we have two distances. That's why in advanced properties we have a two taper objects, two taper values. If we go for single direction, so see only we have one taper direction here. So you can give 10 degrees as a taper. Now you can observe a taper angle. So by going to front view, you can view the taper angle. So if you give 0, it will be a rectangular object. So I will reduce the distance to 2 mm and give OK. So this is my plate, and now I will add more features of the same object. So for that purpose I will take offset from plane. Select this plane and create a new layer, new plane. Just give the dimensions as 15 mm and give OK. Now select this plane and go for sketch. So here we don't need to sketch it again. We can directly go for project geometry and select the surface and go for home view. Now you can see these edges have been converted as sketch on the work plane. Now finish the sketch and now extrude it to the same 2 mm. Okay, so I will hide this work plane, right click and go for visibility. Now see, now we can mirror this object. So for that purpose what I will do is I will select this extrusion object and I will go for mirror, and now it will ask for mirror plane. So for mirror plane I will select this surface. Now see, an object have been created here. Okay, so these are the 3 objects we have created. So let us create a one more object. So select this extrusion and go for mirror, and now select the mirror plane. This is my mirror plane. Okay, now I have created 4 objects. Now select this plane and go for 2D sketch. I will create a circle here. Okay, now finish sketch. Now see, extrude. So here we have an option called through all, to, and to next. These 3 options have been added because we have more profiles here, I mean more objects. And now we have output called boolean object. So because we have different objects here, so if you do boolean means if you want a hole, you can create a hole by using this option, cut. So if you don't want hole but you need a whole circular cylinder, then you can go for default join. Otherwise you can create a new solid. So these plates will be a different solid and this circle will be a different solid. So there are total 2 solids in the bodies. So next one is intersect. So intersect means only the circle and rectangular plates intersection position will be available on the screen. So this is called extrude. So by the same way we have to use the extrude. And now we have to see these options. First one is through all. So through all means from the first object to last object it will get extruded. And now second option is to. To means we have to select the surface. Up to that surface only it will get selected. See, like this. And now here we have one more option called to next. So if you give to next, so it will automatically generated extrude up to the next surface, from the surface to the next surface which is available. Okay, now you can see the extrusion have been created here. So like this we have to work with extrusion option. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.